In a previous video, we looked at how we drew this quadratic function. So let's just go back in here. And the quadratic function is x squared minus 8x minus 3. And we adjusted the window and we graphed it like this. And we're going to look at two things on this function that we can do. Two things we can find out. So we're going to go to second calc. And we can see we've got various things there. And we're going to concentrate on this, the 0, first of all. So the 0 will tell us where it crosses the x-axis. Now there's two places where it crosses the x-axis. One is here, the other one is here. So to find this one out, I'm going to go to left bound. So I'm going to go up here. There's the left bound and press enter. Now it's asking me for the right bound. So I'm going to come down below the x-axis for the right bound. It's going to say guess, and I'm just going to press enter again. And there it gives me my answer. So this is one of my two answers, negative 0.359. Now I want to find the other one, which is over here. So I'm going to do that whole thing again. So I'm going to go into second calc and then go to 0. And I'm using my arrow key, you can see here. I'm going to move that around to the left of where I want the other one. About right there. And the left one here. And then enter again. I can see that my other 0 is at 8.39. So that's how I get my two zeros. The other thing that I can find out, quite a useful one, is the minimum point. So at the moment, this graph comes down and it gets the minimum point right here. We're going to go to second calc, and it's really similar. We're just going to choose number 3 for minimum. And we're just going to move our cursor to the left of where we think that minimum is. And then also to the right. Calculator is going to say guess, and we press enter again. And here we find our minimum point, and that's basically 4. It's 3.99, but to round it up, it's 4. And the y coordinate is minus 19. So it's 4 minus 19. So that's how we can find 0 values here and the minimum point of a graph.